Welcome aboard the Majestic Princess. I'm going to be showing my stateroom here on Dolphin 501, and this is going to be a standard balcony here on board the Majestic Princess. And they just redone some of the rooms here on the Majestic Princess since dry dock back in March. Today is June 20th, 2025, and I'm coming to you from Protocol. We'll keep that in touch later, but come along as we show you this wonderful stateroom on board the Majestic Princess. So as we step into the room, we have our closet area here in the balcony. You got your storage over here, plenty of storage. We got hangers here. Got a couple on this side, but you got plenty of hangers for about 4 people. We got more hangers on this side. And you have your Princess Blue bag that they give out 2 per room now, so that's pretty nice. You can take that out with you to port if you need to, with your beach towels or extra accessories. We got our safe right here. Let me open the safe. Password doesn't matter. I just lock it just to keep it locked, so you can shut the door easily. As you can see, you can fit probably a laptop in there or iPad type deal there. It's pretty big, to be honest, compared to some others that I've seen on other ships of Princess. So again, I'm just shutting it so you can put in a 4-number password and you press the pound and it closes, and just like that, that's how you open it. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, and 1 up top there. So plenty of space down here to put your luggage. You can put about probably like 6 bags if you really had that many bags. And then up here you have space to put more stuff if you like, if you have some extra duffel bags you want to put away. Let's step into the restroom now. They are a little tiny, but they work very well. Here you have the mirror and the sink. Got some body lotion and hand washing. And then you got 3 layers to put your medicine, toiletries, etc., makeup, whatever you like to. Over here you got the towels. As we step in, we have the shower head up there. The water is very warm here on the Majestic Princess, so just keep that in mind when you turn on the water here. As you can see, it says 38 right there. 38 to me is kind of cold, so if you turn it in between 38 and the 45, you get perfectly warm water. And just so you know, you got body wash here and shampoo and conditioner if you like to bring your own. Just so you know, it is pumped, so if you like to bring your own, you can bring your own as well. So let's step into the bedroom and we can check out our balcony and the rest of the room. So as we step into the bedroom, you got 2 twin beds put together to make like a queen, which is pretty comfortable bed here. Set up nicely right now with 4 pillows. And I actually like this green color with the pillows. Looks elegant. As we step over here, you have a nightstand here with the light that turns on if you want to do some reading at night. These lights right here turn on and turn off the lights in the room, so that's good. There is no USB or outlet over here, so that's the one bad side. It's only on one side of the bed, but you do have storage here. Put some clothes, your iPad, your medicine. You do have some nice little artwork in the room as well. You do have your thermometer over here. If you want to keep your room nice and toasty, you turn it up. If you want to keep it nice and cold, you turn it down. And it works really, really well on this ship. So that's a blessing since it's been really hot out here in the Mediterranean so far. It's a lovely day out at port. But we'll check out the balcony in a little bit. Hey there guys, how we doing? Enough of me and more back to the room tour. So we got a nice vanity here, nice mirror. I do love to collect, yes, as you can see, door magnets. So like fridge magnets of all the different places I've been on this trip so far. And as you can see, we've been to a few places, so we'll do a review on that later most likely, but we'll see. But back to the video. So we got more storage down here. Got 3 spots. Boom, boom. Got a comfortable chair over here to do some work if you need to. Pull that out. Nice comfortable chair right there. The balcony rooms on this ship, the Majestic, do not have a couch unless you have a premium balcony, which you will have a little love couch, 1-person couch that comes out as a pull-out bed, but not the standard balconies, which I have here. But once again, these turn on the lights here. Then you can turn them off by pressing the same button. As you can see, it turns the light off. Another reading light here. Turn that guy off. And then here on this side, on the right side of the bed, you have 2 USB plugs. So you are able to use that. As we come over here, if I move my water and soda, you can see we have 1 European plug and 1 US plug. And then on this side, you have 1 US. So you got 2 US plugs, 1 European, and 2 USB. So that's 5 chargers for this side of the room right here on the desk. We do have 1 more that I'll show you in a second. You have the phone here, which you can call front desk, guest services, housekeeping, room service. If you have any questions about dining, you can call them there. And then if we come over here, we have, sorry about the mess, get my shoes out of the way. We have a mini fridge here, which if you do have any cold soda or water that you want to keep cold, you can put them in here, keep them nice and cold. Your bottle of white wine or champagne. Got more storage down here. And then over here, we have some cups. This is where they usually put your elite setup, if you have elite setup on this tray right here by the cups. I actually just traded in some of my last spirits and for some Coke. And then I got some pepperoni muffins here from International Cafe that are really tasty. And we got another mirror. Of course you don't want to see me, but here I am. So yeah, here I am. Let's go out to the balcony now so we can check that out. So as you saw there, that's our balcony. It is a little small. You do have 2 chairs out there with a little table. Nice little spot there for dinner or Subways or just breakfast on a sea day. You got a nice size screen TV here, watching some old highlights of Michigan versus Arkansas in basketball long time ago. But that's what we're doing today, just enjoying ourselves here on board and showcasing our lovely balcony and room Dolphin 501. Hope you enjoyed. Have a lovely day.